Topeak rack on your Lectric XP 2.0. A lot of people said you couldn't be done. Here's a video on how you do it. These are M5 if you want to know, by the way, the ones they give you. Okay? Flat aluminum stock, you get it at Home Depot or Lowe's, 1/8. I took two pieces. I think this is around 11 inches. So two pieces, one on top of each other. Drilled a hole for the M5, countersunk. Drilled a hole for the M5, countersunk. Okay? These guys are going to be adjustable pods for when this goes on. When this goes on here, I'll be able to adjust it, and we are going to catch right here. We're going to drill through here, and we're going to drill through here. And yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. Drilled hole for the Topeak rack. Drilled hole for the Topeak rack. We mounted in two places. Wet paper towels catches all the filings. Okay, wood or cardboard in case you go through, you don't hit the fender. Here it is. All finished. Just kidding. This is my heavyweight cruiser. I did it on this bike too. Everything painted black. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will keep the rack level. Bolt-in rack in here. Bolt in the rack over there. Solid. Lock washer. Ugh. Nylock. Nylock. Not going anywhere. Alright, here's a finished product. Let's discuss. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this thing is about $18. That's it. I'll put the part number in the description, no referral links. But it's only 18 bucks. Obviously, you need the Topeak bag, so whatever their rack system bag is, you could order. I forget which one mine is, but it'll work here. I spent a lot of time figuring out the best way to do it, and I did actually, with something going across to where this thing on the bottom, when this pulls out, catches, but it was a lot of work, and I didn't think it was worth it. So I ditched these, just like I ditched them on my Hemingway over there. But again, 1/8 inch thick, 3/4 aluminum stock, they call it. Sheet stock, rod stock. No, it's not rod stock, it's sheet stock. And, they sell it at Home Depot. I think they come in a couple of feet lengths. I think it's, my measurement was around 11 inches. Put two together, equal 1/4 inch. The bolts are M4s. M4, I think 20 millimeters long. I put nylocks on the bottom. So I have one here, painted it black, painted the bar black. And then under, there's another one right here that goes through this bar right here. It's about here. So there's two of them holding on. It's solid as anything. And then the same type of screws, one here, one here. It goes right into this thick 1/4 inch bar stock. This thing isn't going anywhere. It's rock solid. I painted these screws are I think they're M4s, and they have to be flatheads. Okay, the ones that the bike come with is no good. They're too high. So these are M4s. They're flatheads. They're I think 10 millimeters long, but they got to be flat because this edge, and this edge keeps it lateral from going back and forth from this way and this way. So it's actually pretty good. So you just, a drill, a drill and $3, or, you know what, I would think the bar stock would cost you, I think $10. The screws, I don't know, $5, $7. And I'm assuming you have a drill. You would hacksaw it depending on the size you got. I have an angle grinder, so it was real simple. I just cut it, but you could still use a hacksaw. I mean, you're only cutting 2 pieces, so that's not so bad. But no, it's rock solid. And again, you could share. If you have another bike, you could share it. What I like about this is no bungee cords. I don't know, it just seems simple, you know. You go to the store, you bring the bag in with you. Okay, the bag holds a lot because it has panniers on each side, and the panniers lay nice because this part here, you got this, and this part here stops it from going into your spokes or what have you, your gearing. So here, let me show you. One bike, put it on the other bike. Now, of course, the garage is in the way, right? Yeah, it was hitting the garage door. I don't know if you can see. There you go. That's how she looks. Nice, clean. Let me bring it up because I want to show you how strong it is. Okay. Picking up the bike. So she's rock solid, not going anywhere. And like I said, you know, it has the handle, the arm strap, you know, whatever you want. So you could do whatever you want with it. And that's how you get it on an Lectric XP. I guess if the 1.0 has the same rack, it'll work on the 1.0 too, I guess, you know. So this is a 2.0, but it should work on the 1.0. I also did it for the Hemiway, if anybody has a Hemiway. All right, that's about it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, I guess. All right, bye. I also forgot to mention, I started the Facebook group, Lectric Buy, Sell, and Trade. I'm assuming it would be great for people that are upgrading their bikes or need stock parts. There's nobody in the group, just me. But I figure sooner or later people will come in. I mean, I put the seat and the Zoom suspension post or whatever. So I got the stock seat and what have you. And I'm sure a lot of people have a lot of spare parts that they want to get rid of. So just search Facebook for the group. Lectric Buy, Sell, Trade. Okay, thanks.